Good morning, everyone. I wanted to just do a quick video for you to show you how to make a roller bottle, whatever you want to call it. So you have three pieces. You have the glass vial or bottle. You have your roller fitment. I like to use ones with a stainless steel ball. They glide a lot nicer on the skin. They have kind of a cooling sensation as well. And then of course you have your lid. I'm making today two different rollers. I'm making a happy roller, which is equal parts joy, tangerine, orange, and bergamot. So in these tiny little rollers, these are 2 mil rollers. You can get 4 mil, 5 mil, or 10 mil. So you would just multiply the recipe based on that. So I'm going to do 2 drops of joy. You want to be super patient with your oils, so you never want to be sort of tapping it or shaking it. Just tip it and be patient. I did 3 of orange because I love orange. Who doesn't love orange, right? If you're finding that you're not getting a drop out and you're sitting there waiting, you might just roll it ever so slightly in your fingers, and I'll show you that. So if, say, I'm not getting a drop, I'm just going to sort of roll it in my fingers, tip it up a little bit more until I see it coming. 1, 2, we'll do 3. And that was tangerine. And then lastly, I love this oil. I can't even say an oil is my favorite because I have too many, but this is bergamot. So 1, 2, 3, that one comes out fast. Okay, so I have all of my essential oils in the vial. And the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to add the carrier oil. So you can use whatever oil you choose for this. A lot of people use grapeseed oil because that's an ugly light, cheap. At Costco you can get a big jug and it lasts a long time. It doesn't stain your clothes either. You can get fractionated coconut oil, olive oil, jojoba oil, avocado oil. There's endless amounts, but it has to be a fatty oil that you are using to dilute your essential oils. So I just keep mine in a handy little squeeze container, and you can get something like this, like a ketchup squeeze bottle or a mustard one from the dollar store. Okay, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to pop your roller top on. You want to be careful not to press directly on the ball because you don't want to have it jammed in there and then it doesn't roll very nice. And you want to just always test it out, make sure your ball is rolling, it's good, pop your lid on, throw a label on it, and there you have a roller. Now when you go to use it, looks like that. You can roll it on your wrist, roll it on your neck. This is for somebody else. I'm not going to use their roller ball. And there you have it. Easy peasy. My recipe for the energy roller, I have energy, the blend, peppermint, grapefruit, and I would also use lemon, but I don't have any lemon. So I would do, in a small little bottle like this, 3 drops of the energy blend and then 2 drops of the other oils. Have a great day.